Am I the only person mwenye unagi shida ya muigai wa Njoroge? No, that man was very clear. I want a man like that who will face me in the eye and tell me, Cheki, omenye ni no gahikia mutumia wa kere, and you have a choice. You can choose to go or stay. That lady decided to stay. She decided to be delusional. She decided to lie to herself. She clearly stated that. She was hoping that he was lying, he wasn't serious. Even after Muigai repeatedly, akasema he will marry a second wife, that lady decided to be delusional and lie to herself. Munasema ati sijui Muigai wa Njoroge could have considered his kids. That lady went to a fucking radio station where she was supposed to talk about jorua cia kothi kehiko giatwekire kothi re. She went to a fucking radio station for 2 days to discuss her family business. She put her family out there. She put her kids out there. Wacheni ufala bwana. Huo mza yako sawa. That man was very okay. And if all men were like Muigai wa Njoroge, by the way, dunia ingekuwa sawa sana. Unaambia mse by the way ujue mimi nakuaga na plans za kuoa mabibi wawili. Wewe watu wako ikara ukamenya muhiki wa kere no akarehwo. Na arehwo re utige kurira. It's as simple as that. I don't know why you people mukagira Muigai wa Njoroge neke. Is there any other honest man? Wacheni ufala bwana. Release that man. Release that man.